Once you forget the combination, you can get them back in this way. First, as you can see, there is a gap near the dials, and you have to find the inner gap. This is the inner structure. You can see there is also a gap in the red part, at least here. So you can cut small pieces from a can bottle like this as a tool to help you. Use this tool to help you roll the dials. For each number. Now I feel the resistance on both sides. This is the gap. The next one. The third one. As you can see, the top number is 6, 7, 8. Now plus 5 to all numbers. 6 plus 5 is 11, so first number is 1. The second, 7 plus 5 is 12. So the second one is 2. 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So the third one is 3. Yes, it's the right combination. Now if you want to reset the combination, you find a tool to press this button. Now roll the dials to the numbers you want, such as 0, 0, 0. Then push the button. Now you reset your combination.